Hi Doonistas, it's me the Pecan Tan Beauty and welcome to my channel, or as always I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a unbagging from my pre-Black Friday trip at the outlets. So if you have not checked out that video, I will put a link below where I show you all of the beautiful bags that were at the outlet that day. So if you are a member of my Facebook group, the Dooney Den, I put a post out of the sale that was going on for Black Friday at the outlets, which was an additional 15% off of all items except for clearance. And also they had some special bags that they called more like a doorbuster. So those were not included in the sale, but everything else was. So I did not necessarily go to purchase anything. I really just went to see if I can get some shots of what they had so you guys can see, just in case you were thinking of getting a special bag for the holidays or as a gift or just pick up something for yourself. So a couple of items caught my attention. One of these items you guys probably are going to be extremely surprised at, and I am as well. And the other item is an item that I always pretty much spotlight when I have visited the outlets over the past 6 months or so. So if you are interested in seeing what I picked up, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first item is an item that I have pretty much touched every single time I have gone to the outlet the last 2 or 3 times. And so this time with the additional 15% off, I thought I would just go for it. So the first item that I picked up is another crossbody, and you guys know that this is my absolute favorite style of crossbody lately, and this is the Dooney Bourke pebbled leather crossbody in the color leaf. So let's just get into this beauty and see what it looks like up close. So here we are. It is the crossbody in the color leaf. And here she is. Oh my gosh, you guys, absolutely beautiful color. I only have one other bag in the color leaf, and it is the North-South Shopper, if I'm not mistaken. It is a shoulder bag that I absolutely love as well. I didn't want anything too large in this color, but I did want to be able to have this color in my collection. So you guys again have seen this bag before, you have seen this color before, and I will also link below my unboxing of my North-South little shopper bag, just so you can see how this beautiful color looks in a larger bag. So again guys, this is becoming one of my very favorite crossbody styles. I use it when I go cruising all the time. I use it when I go shopping. Most of the time this is a bag that I carry on the weekends. So as you can see, she has lots of organization. She has a zipper here in the front. She has a top load zipper here. She has a crossbody strap that can also be converted into a short shoulder. She has these beautiful Sierra leather accents just to kick up this color a couple of notches. Absolutely beautiful. So the next item, you guys, is probably going to be a surprise to you guys that I even considered picking this up, but the leather on this bag absolutely caught my eye, and so I just decided to try it. What the heck, an additional 15% off. So let's just do it. Let's just see what I picked up. Okay guys, so the next item that I picked up is the Dooney Bourke pebbled leather, small alley backpack in the color Ocean. Yes, you guys, a backpack. I am totally not a backpack fan, but for some reason, this particular bag caught my eye, and I'm thinking it's only because of the leather that is on this bag. So let me just give you some of the specs. And again, this is the small alley backpack in the color Ocean. And oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. This color is absolutely beautiful. And this is pretty true to color what you are seeing on the screen. And I struggled between getting this color Ocean and also the elephant. And I only have one other bag in the color Ocean, which is the Mindy, which I absolutely love that bag as well. And I have many other bags in the color Elephant, so I thought that I would just kind of switch it up a little bit, go outside of my element, and go with this beautiful, beautiful Ocean color. You guys, look at the leather on this bag. Oh my gosh, you guys, absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So let me just take you through a very, very quick tour. But if you would like a what fits or a full review on this bag, give this video a thumbs up. That way I know to put together a what fits or a review of this beautiful, beautiful backpack. So let's just go inside really quick just so I can share with you some of the features of this bag and what I think for size, because it is considered a small. So I just want to give you guys a quick closer look so you can see what I'm working with. Okay guys, so here is how she came stuffed. As you can see, more beautiful leather on the underside of this beautiful bag. Now let's take the stuffing out. She does come with a dust bag, but you guys know I will be making my own dust bag for this beauty. Okay guys, so here she is all unstuffed, and as you can see, for a small, lots and lots of room in this bag. She does have a drawstring closure with these cute little ties on the ends here. Very, very beautiful. And as you can see, it does have an additional buckle closure for extra security. And she also has a front pocket here on the front. And then here is the back. And you guys, what I loved about this backpack compared to other backpacks that I have seen is it has this special little flap here on the back. So the purpose of it being made this way is to get a snugger fit on your body. It's a lot more comfortable. I did walk around with one of these, and you guys, I probably will not be carrying this as a backpack. Most likely I will be carrying her satchel style by the handle here, maybe on the crook of the arm, or just down by my side. So anyway, here she is. I don't want to do a full review right now. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. So again, if you'd like a full review on this bag or what fits, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will get working on that video. Okay guys, so the third little item that I picked up is in this little packet here. And this is something that I picked up an extra one, and I will be doing a giveaway in my Facebook group for a lucky Dooney to win. So basically, here's what this is. It is a keychain or bag charm, however you'd like to use it. It has a nice little clasp on it here that says Dooney Bourke. It also has a mirror on the back side. And again, I probably would not recommend using this as a keychain because it does have the mirror on the back, and you don't want to risk cracking or breaking your mirror. So how I plan to use this is on a travel piece. So this is the travel piece that I decided to pair this with. I normally don't do bag charms, but I thought that this would be a very nice accent to my travel piece. And this is the Dooney Bourke Montego gem duffel in the color Caribbean blue. So I think that is perfect. And you guys, this is huge, very substantial. It measures, I'm going to say approximately 2 by 2. So a very, very nice size. Okay guys, so here are the pieces that I picked up from the Dooney Bourke pre-Black Friday sale. And this is my Dooney Bourke pebbled leather small alley backpack in the color Ocean. And this is the Dooney Bourke pebbled leather crossbody in the color Leaf. And along with this, I picked up a bag charm or keychain with the Dooney Bourke emblem. Absolutely beautiful. And if you wanted to, guys, you could probably plop this on the side of the backpack to give it another cute little look. Still very cute. Very cute. So anyway, guys, let me just do a couple of mod shots of the backpack. You guys have seen me model the crossbody, so I won't do any mod shots of this. But since this is a fairly new item, I will do a couple of mod shots just so you can see how it looks on the body. Okay guys, let me just share with you very, very quickly some mod shots. So basically I have it paired with a very, very oversized sweater with a pair of striped wide leg pants, as you can see. And I also have it paired with a pair of very, very long knee-length string up type boots. So let me just share with you first of all how I would probably carry it. I would probably just carry it on the crook of the arm like this, or I would probably just carry it by the handle down by the side. Still very, very classy. And again, as you can see, this is considered a small, but it is not small at all, in my opinion. So you can also carry it on one shoulder like the school kids do. Very easy just to slip on like this. Or you can carry it as like a schoolgirl or schoolboy backpack and carry it with both of the straps on your shoulders. Very easy to take on and off. You guys, I think that I am in love with this style, and I may be picking up a couple of other colors. I am still not sure, but this is an absolutely beautiful backpack. Absolutely beautiful. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And as I always say, once you go Dooney, you go loony. So go out and get yourself either a pebbled leather backpack or a crossbody in any color, because you definitely can't have mine. Bye guys. Be perfect with the leather. Get more like this. Very nice and comfortable. Very, as you can see, very nice and comfortable. These straps here, I can tell you, are a lifesaver at how they have them winged out versus having that metal piece here that is hitting your back.